This is a video tutorial on how to create captions for your video using CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing app that you can install and you can get started right away. So let's go into it. So here it is, CapCut. It's already open on my phone, and we're gonna add a new project. We just want to see that. So we're just gonna go new project. Okay, when you have a new project, from there I have a video that's vertical already, and we're gonna just add it. As you can see, it's got the Instagram logo. It's blank on the top, so it'll be perfect to do captions. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna add. So that's gonna add the video to the timeline, which is down here. Now there is no audio because this is just all it is just a video of a spinning Instagram logo. So depending on how much you need, you can add another one and just keep adding until you have the length that you want. But in order to get captions on this video, there's different ways to do it, but the way I'm going to show you right now is we're just going to do audio, and we're going to record our voice onto the video, and then we'll get the captions. So first we're going to do audio, and we're going to swipe till we see this little mic, and we're going to click on that mic, and now you have the option to start your narration, and it's going to pick up the audio and record it. So let's just record a little something for the duration of this video, which is about 10 seconds. So let's get started. This is a short tutorial on how to add captions to your Instagram reel or video. Okay, so now we can do it over if we messed up, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm happy with that. And we're gonna press the check mark so we agree that yeah, that's the audio we need. And let's just listen to that and see what that sounds, or let's hear it. I'll hit play. On how to add captions to your Instagram reel or video. Okay, let's hear it one more time. This is a short tutorial on how to add captions to your Instagram reel or video. Okay, pretty simple. Now let me get rid of the ending there. Now if you're wondering, this video is free download to victc.com. That's where it's from, and I got to give attribution, so that's why I got to say it here. All right, but once we have our voiceover, which is down here, we're gonna add the captions. Okay, so where are the captions? They're right down here in this main menu here. So we're gonna do captions. When we do captions, you're gonna have all this pops up, but you don't have to worry about any of this because all this is pro. You can just really just do a basic, and we're just gonna hit this blue button to say generate. Okay, we're gonna let it do its magic. It's gonna generate, so it's actually picking up the audio, and it's gonna create the captions for you. Okay, so now that it's done, the captions are generated, and you're gonna see that represented by this orange line. And if we move ahead, we can see that the captions are there. So let's just play that. This is a short tutorial on how to add captions to your Instagram reel or video. Okay, so that's where it's at, and as you can see in this little box, you can close out the box, or you can copy the text, or you can edit the text. And it also tells you to make sure you keep the audio in frame, but the other thing you can do is you can move it with your finger. So I don't want it down there with that spinning box. I want it up here. And then the other thing that I want to do is that I want to edit the captions so that they pop, so they look a little bit better. So let's do that by hitting the little pencil button on the top. When you do that, this bottom part opens up with some different options, but what I want is the fonts option. So when you open up the fonts, you get these to pick from. These are all free to use. So let's just pick something that pops let's do this Montessero one. So let's click on that, and you can see that it changed the captions. See how they look now? They're a little bit bolder, but I want to do more to it. So let's go to styles, and when we go to styles, we can mess around with it some more, you know. So one that I see that's popular is this yellow one. So when we tap on that, you see it makes the captions yellow with the black border around it, so it makes it look even better. And you can mess around with the opacity, and the other thing you can do is mess around with the size. So let's mess around with the size with the slider down here, the size. And when I do that, see how the captions get bigger. All right, so now I kind of like it like that, so it kind of catches your eye. So let's go back, and then let's just listen. This is a short tutorial on how to add captions to your Instagram. Okay, so it's only going to do the one that we if we hit this check mark, it's going to do it to all the captions. So let's see what that looks like with all the captions. This is a short tutorial on how to add captions to your Instagram reel or video. Okay, so you see that. So there are your captions. Nice, and you can do a variety of things with it. So hope you found that useful. It's all free to use, and you can start adding captions to the video to get more attention to your reels and in your stories. Okay, thanks for checking this out. If you found some value in it, let me know in the comments. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I appreciate it.